What we're doing tonight, we're making Puerto Rican baked pork chops. Easy for me to say. So we start with, by the way, this is my
Hi, I'm Linda.
We start with a quarter cup of white vinegar. Then we have 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We have
quarter cup of,
that's not quarter cup. A quarter cup of sofrito.
Sofrito. Yeah.
That's this stuff. Hang on, I need a spoon.
And the sofrito smells incredible. The sofrito smells incredible.
This is 5 crushed cloves of garlic. The whole pork chops are going to smell like that. You remember I think I made, when you were here before, I think I made pinchos?
Yes.
Almost the same mix, but this has got a few more spices. This looks like adobo or garlic?
Adobo.
How much?
2 teaspoons.
And this is?
I can't put my glasses on. Sazon.
Sazon.
Onion powder.
Onion powder. How much?
1 1/2 teaspoons.
A teaspoon of oregano, ground up leaves.
1/2 teaspoon of salt.
1/2 teaspoon of salt.
And 1 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper.
Well,
that's 1.
I think it's supposed to be a 1/4 teaspoon.
Yeah, I think that's what I'm pretty sure that's what I put in it. Okay, I'm sure.
Yeah, that doesn't look like it. Okay. And then we're going to mix this all up.
Oh, I wish we had smell-o-vision.
Yeah, that would be good. And we mix this all up. And it does smell pretty incredible. Incredible. Then we have 2 1/2 pounds of pork chops. And we're just going to take our pork chops. I think I want a fork for this operation. Then we're going to take our pork chops and we're going to put them in there and then toss them around a few times. Get another pork chop. Maybe we'll put it under that one so we can actually toss it around a little bit.
Is the recipe for sofrito on your channel?
Is the recipe?
Yeah.
No, we haven't done a video on sofrito
Well.
yet. Yeah, well, that's an oversight, but until we need to make some, I'm not going to make it because I don't need it. Because it will spoil after quite a while in the fridge, but it will. And we just made a batch not long ago.
Yeah.
So we don't need another batch. But I will do a video on it at some point. Because it's really, really, really good.
It's so neat that you live in an area where you can try new recipes. Because, quite frankly, you're not very adventurous.
Yeah, I'm not very adventurous with food. I have, since I've been here, I have tried a lot more foods than I've tried in the last 72 years before I came here, I guess. Now what we're doing here is we're putting this all, coating it all with this marinade, and then we're going to put it in the refrigerator. And you can put it in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours. It's not really recommended to go beyond 24 hours because it will, the vinegar starts to break down the meat.
Yeah.
But what we do is we put this in. I haven't thought to look at the camera more than once since we've been doing this. Sorry.
Now that's your wife.
Oh yeah. But what we
His wife's name. Sorry.
What we haven't done. what I haven't done is looked at the camera. So, hi. Okay, so we're gonna put, you need to marinate this at least an hour, but it's recommended that you go at least 12. So what we do is we've got this all in the bowl, and we're going to rinse this off our fingers. And then we'll need that, and we'll need this. And my refrigerator is pretty full, so I'm hoping there's room in here for this. I just realized I didn't make any room. Okay, you want to snip that off? Okay. I'll go the other way this time so you can stay on that side.
Okay.
Okay. And that's all there is to it. And tomorrow, like I said, we'll be back. We're going to have this for our dinner tomorrow with some baked potatoes. And I did do a video on baked potatoes, and I put a link to that up above on one side or the other here. So you can see how to make the baked potatoes, and they are incredible.
And I'm going to make a loaded baked potato casserole as
Yes,
well.
this will be a double video because you'll have her acting like Gringa Baker, making a loaded potato casserole, which has too much cheese in it for me to want to eat it. So I'm going to just have baked potatoes. But like I said, I did make the baked potato video earlier. We're also going to do another video tomorrow, which I'm not going to disclose at this time, but it'll be dessert. And I guess that's pretty much it for tonight. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and then close all the cameras down and be back in the morning.
Good night.
See you later.